Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Arif Islam. I spending free time at college. This is my friend Arif Rabbani.
Okay, thank you so much. This is Arif. I'm also Arif, and he's my friend
Yes.
Arif Islam. Now we are spending free time at Shaoid Smarity govt college at Muktagasa. You can see our Shaoid Smarity govt college. There is a college, and this college is very beautiful. And there is a huge class here, and we are spending free time right now. And I have another friend. His name is Achal, and I will meet with.
Hi, this is
Yes.
Fajan Ajal. I also study at Shaoid Smarity govt College.
Yeah. And now I will see you. I will see you our college. What is the beauty of our college? You can see our beauty of our college, and you can see everything in our college. And I will see you the face of the college, full face. Okay. And now we will leave the college, and I have spent the free time in our college, and now we will leave our college right now. And we are making a video for improving our spoken English skills. That's why we are making this video. But I'm not using the behind camera. Now I am using the front camera of my mobile phone. And if you like it, I will make this kind of video, and I will show you our college, what is the beauty of our college next time. So you are watching what is the beauty of our college, and my friend is also working with me.
Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.
So do you want to say something about my college?
Yes, my college is very nice. My college, I have a nice flower garden and nice balcony. As it's a nice beautiful trees and big building and lot of students in my college. Okay. Okay, friends.
Okay, I think this video will be helpful for you to learning English, and pray for me so that I can study well in our college, and I can success in my dream, and my friends can success in my dream. So thanks for now. I will see you later. Bye.